Show is.
That Dagobah swamp heat.
What's happening now?
R2D2 Dagobah. Hope you don't mind the heat. Yoda used to it now. But Yoda, first thing, cut off the planet Dagobah. Oh, Lord, was Yoda sweating.
What do I do, speeder bikes?
Nasty. Huge.
All right, here we go.
Stinky.
Do I have to press any
Unprepared
button?
you are.
Hold on a second, Luke. Let me get that ship out of the swamp using my brain here. Y'all, okay. Ooh, she a heavy bitch. Ain't she, Luke?
I can't see.
All right, Lindsay, go. Nope, that's one.
Watch out.
2.
Shoot the binocs.
Do I have to?
Open
3.
fire, open fire.
4.
Look out.
5.
Down, okay.
One
yep.
more and you're done.
Good.
That's
Nope.
it.
Oh.
Boy, you're doing great, Lindsay.
You're doing real nice.
Yoda tried to make gumbo. All I got is a pot of green sludge. Hope you don't mind, Luke.
Hey, Master Yoda, why didn't you tell me about my dad?
Who?
Coming back from having no dream, we all saw your daddy's head.
What?
On the plate.
Lindsay, you're doing great.
You're doing really good.
You're doing really great.
Obi-Wan, this boy too old. I told you, I want him young. When next time you send me a boy, ain't no boy 19 showing up. I want a 5-year-old.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I can't see. I can't breathe.
I'm just laughing because of everyone else now.
Oh god, my insides. I can't. Oh.
Oh.
I'm not even laughing at myself.
Are we done?
Yeah,
Are we done?
I don't know that there's anything else to come
How much longer?
It said episode 2.
8 minutes.
We're good.
Patrick,
The last 2 minutes of the video just
I think it's time for us to go blow up that Death Star.
Sure.
All right, let's do it.
Get your helmet on. Oh, thanks for your help, friend.
Yeah, you got it.
When I say young,
Get out. Get out.
I mean, yeah.
Thank you.
on.
Thanks, Yoda.
Blow up that Death Star.
That was Yoda?
Yeah, it sounded like him, didn't it?
I guess you're right. Do you want to try to do that
Yeah, I
video?
guess we could do our own gameplay now.